Let me paint a quick picture. It's Friday. Your paycheck just hit your account. For a moment, everything feels okay. You pay rent, you clear a couple of bills, maybe grab takeout to celebrate a little. And then, somehow, by next Thursday, you're checking your balance like, wait, where did it all go? No big purchases, no crazy spending, just gone. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because the truth is, most people stuck paycheck to paycheck aren't there because they don't make enough. They're there because of a few hidden habits, quietly draining their money every single month. In this video, we're breaking down 11 habits that keep people stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle. These aren't obvious mistakes. They're small patterns, easy to miss, hard to fix unless you see them clearly. And the best part? Once you recognize them, you can start breaking them immediately. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. You spend first, think later. Most people don't plan their money. They just react. Paycheck comes in, spending starts, bills happen, whatever's left is random. Here's the problem. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear on things you don't even remember buying. Quick example. Jake gets paid $3,000 a month. No plan, just vibes. By the end of the month, he feels broke, but can't explain why. What if I told you, most people lose track of 20 to 30% of their money every month? Not on big things, on small, forgettable ones. Habit number 2. You rely on leftover saving. You tell yourself, I'll save whatever is left at the end of the month. But let's be honest, there's almost never anything left. Saving like this doesn't work, because spending expands to fill whatever you earn. Example, Sarah plans to save $300, but since she didn't move it first, small expenses eat it up. End result? $0 saved. Saving isn't what happens after spending. It should happen before it. Habit number 3. Lifestyle keeps upgrading quietly. You get a raise, and without realizing it, your life gets more expensive. Better phone, more subscriptions, nicer dinners. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck. Example, Ali gets a $500 raise, but now spends $600 more every month. He's technically earning more, but feels even more broke. Habit number 4. You ignore small recurring charges. Subscriptions are silent killers. $10 here, $15 there, $8 somewhere else. Individually, no big deal. Combined, huge. Example, Netflix, Spotify, gym, apps, random trials. Total, $120 per month. That's $1,440 a year on things you barely think about. Up until now, you might be thinking, okay, these are small things. But here's the reality. This isn't about small mistakes. It's about invisible patterns controlling your entire financial life. And what I'm about to show you next, these habits, they're the ones that quietly trap people for years. So if you've been nodding along so far, pay very close attention to the next few, because this is where the real shift happens. Habit number 5. You don't track where your money goes. You feel like you know you're spending, but you don't actually see it, and what you don't track, you can't control. Example, Mike checks his bank statement for the first time. He realizes he spent $400 on food delivery last month. He thought it was maybe $100. Most financial stress doesn't come from lack of money. It comes from lack of clarity. Habit number 6. You treat every month like a fresh start. New paycheck, new month, new mindset, but no reflection, no adjustments. So the same mistakes repeat, again and again. Example, every month Emma says, "This time I'll do better." But nothing changes, because nothing is tracked or reviewed. Habit number 7. You use credit to smooth things out. This one feels helpful, but it's dangerous. You use a credit card when money gets tight, not for emergencies, but for normal life. And slowly, you fall behind. Example: Tom spends $200 extra on credit. Next month, he's already behind before the paycheck even arrives. Credit doesn't fix cash flow problems. It delays them and makes them worse. Habit number 8. You don't have a buffer. No emergency fund. No cushion. So every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Car repair, medical bill, family expense. Everything hits hard. Example: a $300 repair shouldn't be a big deal, but without savings, it throws your entire month off. Habit number 9. You spend based on mood. Bad day? Spend. Good day? Spend. Bored? Scroll and buy. Emotional spending is real and expensive. Example: after a stressful day, Lisa orders food and shops online. Feels better for an hour, regrets it later. Money decisions made in emotion usually cost the most. Habit number 10. You focus only on big wins. You think, I need to make more money to fix this. And yes, income matters. But ignoring daily habits while waiting for a big break, that keeps you stuck. Example: Ryan dreams of earning more, but leaks $300 per month on small habits. Even a raise wouldn't fix that. Habit number 11. You believe this is normal. This might be the most dangerous one. You look around and think, everyone lives like this, so you accept it. But just because something is common doesn't mean it's working. The moment you stop normalizing struggle is the moment things start changing. Let's recap quickly. If you're stuck paycheck to paycheck, it's usually not one big problem. It's these 11 habits: spending without a plan, saving leftovers, lifestyle creep, ignoring subscriptions, not tracking money, repeating the same cycle, relying on credit, no emergency buffer, emotional spending, waiting for big income changes, accepting it as normal. Here's the good news. You don't need to fix everything overnight. Just pick one habit. Fix that, then move to the next. That's how real financial change happens. Slow, clear, consistent. And before you go, think about this. What's one habit from this list that you know is holding you back right now? Start there.